Picture this. You're cozy in bed, finishing your favorite book, and the last thing you want to do is get up to turn off the light by the door. In this video, I'll show you how to wire a professional three-point lighting system using 2 three-way switches and 1 intermediate switch, so you can control your comfort from anywhere in the room. Let's get started. For this project, we need specific components: 2 three-way switches for the ends of the circuit and 1 intermediate switch for the middle point. We'll be using 1.5 square millimeter wires. Remember, brown for the line, blue for neutral, and, most importantly, green and yellow for the ground. Safety is our priority, so we'll also need a 10 amp circuit breaker for protection. Before we touch any wires, the golden rule of every electrician: always turn off the power at the main breaker. Never work on a live circuit. Your life is worth more than a light bulb. Let's look at the backbone of this system. We start at the distribution board. The live phase, indicated here by the brown wire, goes directly to the common terminal of our first three-way switch, usually located near the door. Meanwhile, the neutral wire in blue goes straight to the light fixture. This is our starting point. Now this is where it gets interesting. Between the switches, we run 2 wires called travelers. These connect the first three-way switch to our intermediate switch at the bedside. The intermediate switch acts as a crossover bridge. Depending on its position, it either lets the current pass straight through or crosses it over to the next set of travelers. Stick around, because once we finish the wiring, you'll see exactly how this extraordinary circuit functions in real time. Finally, the travelers reach our last three-way switch. From its common terminal, the switched live wire goes back to the lamp. When any of these 3 switches is toggled, it completes or breaks the path, giving you total control from every corner of the room. You might notice that the circuit works perfectly as it is, but as a professional, I can't leave it like this. Why? Because of the ground wire. Even if this plastic socket doesn't have a ground terminal, international standards require us to bring the yellow and green wire to every light fixture point. With the grounding wire securely in place and all connections double-checked, our 3-point switching system is now complete. Full control, maximum comfort, and full compliance with safety standards. I'm now switching the breaker on to energize the circuit and begin testing. I'll start with the intermediate switch. Watch closely how the contacts behave as I test each switch one by one. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional electrical guides. Thanks for watching and stay safe.